Top 50 Ideas to Save Money. Welcome to the best YouTube channel, Income for Beasts. Do you want to change your life? Take 2 sec, press pause and subscribe now. Here are 50 tips on how to save money. Create a budget and stick to it. Avoid impulse purchases. Buy generic or store brand items instead of name brands. Buy items on sale or with coupons. Use cashback or reward credit cards for purchases. Cook meals at home instead of eating out. Bring your lunch to work or school. Make your coffee at home instead of buying it at a coffee shop. Use public transportation or carpool instead of driving alone. Walk or bike instead of using a car or public transportation. Use energy-efficient appliances and light bulbs to save on utility bills. Turn off lights and appliances when not in use. Use a programmable thermostat to save on heating and cooling costs. Shop for clothes and household items at thrift stores or consignment shops. Borrow books and movies from the library instead of buying them. Cancel unnecessary subscriptions and memberships. Cut back on entertainment expenses, such as movies, concerts, and vacations. Look for free or low-cost entertainment options, such as museums and parks. Use free apps and software instead of paid versions. Buy in bulk for items you use frequently, such as toilet paper or soap. Don't buy more groceries than you need. Use a shopping list and stick to it. Repair or mend items instead of replacing them. Buy durable, high-quality items that will last longer. Use a clothesline or drying rack instead of a dryer. Use rechargeable batteries instead of disposable batteries. Turn off the water when brushing your teeth. Use reusable bags and containers instead of disposable ones. Sell items you no longer need or use. Avoid ATM fees by using your bank's ATMs or getting cash back at a store. Keep your car maintained to avoid costly repairs. Shop around for insurance and compare rates. Don't carry a balance on credit cards to avoid interest charges. Use free online tools to track your spending and savings. Cut back on alcohol and tobacco products. Choose a smaller, more affordable home or apartment. Negotiate bills, such as cable or internet service. Use free online resources for education and personal development. Buy used cars instead of new cars. Use a water filter instead of buying bottled water. Use a travel rewards credit card to earn points for future trips. Look for free or low-cost fitness options, such as walking or yoga. Avoid unnecessary bank fees, such as overdraft fees. Buy seasonally and locally grown produce. Don't pay for unnecessary features on products, such as premium cable channels. Use a budgeting app to track expenses and stay on track. Pay bills on time to avoid late fees. Avoid unnecessary purchases, such as buying new clothes just because they're on sale. Buy in-season clothing at the end of the season when it's discounted. Learn to do basic home repairs and maintenance tasks yourself instead of hiring professionals. I hope these tips help you save money. And don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you want to change your life. We love you. Thanks for watching. And big shout out to Alexander LeConte.